Okay, people, this is it. I'm all done. Look at the snow. We're moving. If any of you like winter, you have to go to a doctor and get your brain checked. Yeah, pretty bad. Pretty bad. Yeah, this sucks. Get global warming, not global colding. I can't wait for the day that this stops. I can't wait for summer. Can't. Because this is nonsense. It really is. For any of you that say bring on the snow, then you have to go to a doctor and get your head checked. Because this is ridiculous. We've been lucky last winter because we didn't see this, but now this winter we are seeing this. Man, this is gonna be a bad day.